Well, I hope nobody panicked yesterday. I know for some people, especially new people in the market, it was definitely difficult to see their bags just bleeding, seeing it all over the space. But guess what? Yesterday was a huge day of opportunity. And in fact, Shiba Inu did something that I really liked in the charts that I want to talk about with you guys. So we had talked about our make or break moment, right? That we were going to break one way or the other. We were kind of putzing along the bottom here. We showed a little bit of weakness, but really what got this going was the overall weakness in the market, the drop by BTC, hitting long leverage positions, getting liquidated. This was all a catalyst from overseas tensions. All right. Iran possibly invading Israel, sent a little bit of sell into the market and just kind of snowballed from there. So what we saw then was a big drop everywhere, almost everything down 20, 25%. And we basically came back down to some of our support levels, and that's fine. All right, guys, this is crypto. We move quick. These things happen. And what I will say is this, on the shorter term time frame, when it comes to Shiba Inu, there were some great DCA opportunities that flashed on here. In fact, you almost were able to catch down here near the bottom when this flashed. I was kind of bouncing around, looking at different things. And again, this is my indicator. If you guys want to check this out, the link's in the description below. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, but this allowed people to pick up some honestly great positions. This was just nothing more than a day of opportunity, a normal day in crypto, right? But what I'm really liking that I'm seeing from Shib here is strength around this 4024 level. In fact, this was kind of our range of support when we were coming down last time. You guys can see we nestled in this range. We stayed away from 4022. And what I'm liking here that I'm seeing, I didn't like this wick down, right? Because this was a little bit lower low here. Technically, you could say that we're actually in a descending channel here now. Maybe not. Never mind, guys. But what I'm liking that we're seeing here is, although we got this major wick down, like almost every single asset in the space, we came back up. We're consolidating around this 4024 level, and this may kind of validate what I was talking about. We had the possibility to break out to the upside, or I said we could break down before our bounce. And right now, this almost looks like we're setting up for that bounce. Again, this strong show of support around these levels here is a consistent theme. Now, yes, we had a little bit more trading going on here. It was a little bit longer period of time. You can see these are mostly wicks, right? But the nice thing is that the volatility, you guys can really see it's dropping. We're really setting a hard line at that point. So hopefully this continues to be the trend over the course of the day. Now, what I will say is from BTC, I'm liking what I'm seeing as well. Although we had our major wick down, although we fell all the way to this 65.5 or 65.4 level, we've come back up to along the bottom of our trend here. We're actually back within our bull pennant. Now, alts throughout the space lost a lot of dominance for BTC or against BTC, so that sucks. But if BTC starts climbing, don't be surprised if you see a lot of these assets bounce back up and try to make some of these stabs. So that's basically what yesterday was. Yesterday was, again, kind of for those who weren't familiar, that March 5th day, if you guys remember that big wick down that we had here, this is exactly what this was. It was a day where we had all this stuff kind of compound on top of itself and just create this big sell-off day in the market. But really, there's two ways you can look at it. You can look at it as a day where, oh my gosh, it sucked, my portfolio bled, or maybe you took advantage and you're like, it was a day to be a little bit greedy, to take advantage of people that were being weak hands. Lots of people lost positions. Lots of people gained positions. And if we look at where the market is headed months and months and months down the road, that's my mindset when I look at days like this. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully nobody panicked yesterday. Great day of opportunity, and we'll see what the weekend brings. So appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.